Hello, welcome to Fogwing Learning Center. Today we will be discussing about asset management modeling, a key to optimizing resources and maximizing value. Let's jump right into it. Asset management modeling, a key to optimizing resources and maximizing value. What is asset management modeling? Asset management modeling is a systematic approach to managing an organization's assets, be they physical, digital, or financial, throughout their life cycle. The goal is to optimize the use of these assets, ensuring they contribute the maximum possible value to the organization while minimizing costs and risks. Why is asset management modeling important? Effective asset management is critical for several reasons. Cost efficiency. By modeling asset management processes, organizations can identify inefficiencies, reduce unnecessary expenses, and make informed decisions about asset maintenance, replacement, or disposal. Risk mitigation. AMM helps in identifying potential risks associated with asset failure, non-compliance, or obsolescence, allowing organizations to take proactive measures to mitigate these risks. Improved performance. With a clear understanding of asset performance, organizations can optimize usage, ensuring that assets are used effectively and contribute to operational efficiency. Regulatory compliance. Many industries are subject to stringent regulatory requirements regarding asset management. A well-structured AMM framework ensures compliance with these regulations, avoiding costly penalties and legal issues. Sustainability. Effective asset management modeling supports sustainability by promoting the responsible use of resources, reducing waste, and extending the life cycle of assets. Benefits of asset management, modeling, improved decision-making. Asset management models provide valuable insights that can help decision-makers make informed choices about asset maintenance, replacement, and investment. Reduced costs. By optimizing maintenance schedules and spare parts inventory, asset management models can help reduce overall costs and improve asset efficiency. Increased asset availability. Effective asset management can help ensure that assets are available when needed, minimizing downtime and production losses. Enhanced risk management. By identifying potential risks and evaluating the impact of different maintenance strategies, asset management models can help organizations mitigate risks and protect their assets. Conclusion. Asset management modeling is a powerful tool for organizations looking to optimize their resources, reduce costs, and maximize value. By taking a structured approach to managing assets throughout their life cycle, businesses can achieve greater efficiency, mitigate risks, and ensure compliance with regulatory requirements. As technology continues to evolve, AMM will play an increasingly important role in helping organizations navigate the complexities of asset management in a digital world. Learn this video. Helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. For more details, visit our website, fogwing.io. We're looking forward to see you until then. Take care.